Word problem using intercepts. The production supervisor at a particular office products company finds that it takes 4 hours to manufacture a particular office chair and 8 hours to manufacture a computer desk. A total of 3,200 hours is available to produce office chairs and desks of this style. The linear equation that models this situation is 4x plus 8y equals 3,200, where x represents the number of chairs produced and y the number of desks manufactured. Complete the ordered pair solution 0, blank of this equation. Describe the manufacturing situation that corresponds to this solution. Okay, so I took from the slide that starts out this video, I read you the equation, or the problem, and I took the important information out of it. It takes 4 hours to make a chair. It takes 8 hours to make a desk. And there are 3,200 hours available. In future classes, you'll be told that information and you'll be asked to come up with the equation yourself. In this course, though, you're given the equation, and you're told use that equation, 4x plus 8y is 3,200, to solve 0, blank, and then explain it. So here, if we want to solve this equation, we have to know whether the 0 is our x or is it our y. It helps to know that math teachers like to list these as x, y. So now you can see that in front of my comma there is the 0 and the x. So that's telling me that my x here is 0. So writing this out, I have 4 times 0 plus 8y equals 3,200. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus anything doesn't change it. So I have 8y is 3,200. Divide out the 8. What I do on one side of the equation, I do on the other. I now have 8 divide 8 cancels out. I'm left with y equals 3,200 divided by 8. Grab your calculator if you need to. 3,200 divided by 8 equals 400. Now I can fill in my blank. Now I have to figure out what does this mean. 0 for x, 400 for y. Have my equation, have my x, my y. It helps if you go back to the original problem itself. So in the words, it has where x represents the number of chairs produced and y the number of desks manufactured. So x, 0, is the number of chairs produced. So we have 0 chairs made. Going back to the original problem again, we have and y the number of desks manufactured. So y, 400, is telling me 400 desks made. So now I have my answer. When 0 chairs are made, they can make 400 desks.